This tiny board is changing the world, but what exactly can it do? I'm talking about Arduino, a small, affordable microcontroller that's powering some of the biggest tech revolutions right from people's bedrooms and classrooms. Let's kick things off with robotics. Ever seen those cool DIY robots rolling around online? Chances are they've got an Arduino brain. From simple line-following bots to robot arms that can pick up your coffee. Arduino makes building robots accessible to anyone, no engineering degree required. But it's not just about robots' home automation. Arduino is the secret sauce behind smart lights, security alarms, and even voice-controlled blinds. Imagine turning your room into a smart home lab, all with a few lines of code and some sensors. Next up, environmental monitoring. Want to track air quality or measure soil moisture for your plants? Arduino has your back. Students and hobbyists are building weather stations and pollution monitors, making real-world science projects that actually matter. Now let's get personal. Wearable tech isn't just something from big tech brands. With Arduino, you can create your own fitness tracker, light-up jacket, or even a heart rate monitor. If you can dream it, you can build it and wear it. And don't forget the Internet of Things, or IoT. Arduino lets you connect everyday objects to the internet, like fridges that tweet when you're out of milk, or garden sensors that remind you to water your plants. It's the backbone of the smart devices revolution. Most importantly, Arduino is transforming STEM education. All over the world, students are using these boards to learn coding, electronics, and problem solving, not just from books, but by actually building stuff that works. So whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a future innovator, Arduino puts the power of creation in your hands. What will you build next?